Well, for the damage report, we have received around 253 reported partially damaged houses and around 7 fully damaged houses. Those totally damaged are located in San Francisco, while most of those partially damaged is also from San Francisco, around 197. And then the balance are spread out to San Ricardo and other areas. As of reporting kanina, as of 8 a.m. this trip, meron tayong 5 injuries and we're very happy that there is no report of casualties. No? So 5 injuries, very minimal, nothing serious naman.
Ano ba yan ang injuries, sir?
We have Pintuyan and in San Francisco.
Mostly, sir, ano yung mga injuries na
Ano lang, like for example, mga nahulog sa coconut tree, yung sa San Francisco. Meron din tayo na nahulugan ng firewall, San Francisco, and mga small abrasions dito sa may Pintuyan Island.
So this 5.8 is considered to be a moderately sized earthquake. We don't expect na malaki yung damage, but most of the damages na nakikita natin ay our first analysis is yung mga poorly constructed na structures. So kaya sila na-damage. Okay, ito na yung update. As of 8 a.m., we have 173 recorded. Tapos ang napla-plot natin ay 60. And the magnitude range ng aftershocks ay 1.5 to 2.9. Walang, after the 5.8, wala namang naramdaman pa yung mga tao. But we are recording mga aftershocks. Hindi lang nararamdaman. And then yung tanong, bakit kami nandito? First is to document yung impact ng earthquake. And then, medyo sunod-sunod kasi yung mga earthquakes and baka yung mga tao ay merong pangamba about the earthquake. So we will conduct some information campaign para maali yung fears ng mga tao. Ma-explain natin sa mga kababayan natin kung ano ba yung nangyayaring din doon. Kasi sunod-sunod, may Leyte, Biliran, Hinunangan, tapos dito sa San Francisco. Tapos after San Francisco, pumunta yung Zamboanga, sumingit yung Zamboanga. So we have to explain to the people para hindi rin sila mangamba. Our objective is for people to prepare. Kahit naman tayo dito sa Tacloban, kailangan nagpe-prepare pa rin tayo. And we also have a team na mag-i-install ng 2 temporary seismic stations. So the first station will be installed in San Francisco. And then another one, ang tingin namin ay bandang St. Bernard, San Juan area so that we can precisely or mas ma-refine natin yung epicenter, yung mga location ng mga earthquakes.
Yes, sa mga constituents natin, we are doing everything sa national government and we are coordinating with the LGUs also kung anong pwede natin gawin, no? Especially yung emergency na assistance na sa kanila yung nawala ng bahay, yung livelihood, yung mga na-injured, yung pwede natin gawin na emergency assistance. I already have talked with DSWD Regional Director Grace Subong. I already contacted Secretary Gatchalian also. So we will be endorsing after our thorough assessment ngayon sa ground. We will be endorsing kung anong pwedeng gawin natin.
Maraming salamat.